The Zebra BI visuals are Microsoft certified visuals. This means that they are completely secure, but they also support printing from the web and exporting to PDF and also creating PowerPoint documents, even from the Power BI service. Let's first see how it works in the Power BI desktop application. If you want to create a PDF document from the Power BI desktop application, you simply click Export and you will see the Export to PDF option here. Now Power BI will browse through all of your pages. It will actually actively switch to all the pages and then save a PDF document. Nearly done here, so Power BI is now generating the PDF. It will be opened automatically, and here it is. This is my PDF document produced from my Power BI report in the Power BI desktop application. Okay, now more importantly, what happens in the Power BI service? Now in the Power BI service, every viewer, every consumer can do the same. They can export to PDF and they can also export to a PowerPoint document, right? Even in the view mode. They don't need to be the designers of the document. They simply open the report and click Export. Okay, now you see several options here: PowerPoint, PDF and print. Let's create a PowerPoint document. A new window will be opened where you can export with the current values or the default values. All right, what does this mean? The current values means that if you have changed certain filters and so on, then the report will be exported with the current values that you have changed in your report, which is, I guess, most of the time what you want. But if you still want to export the document with the default values, the default filters and so on, you can actually switch to the default values here. And also, as you can see, the Exclude Hidden Reports tabs option is enabled by default, which means that if you have a page, a tab in your Power BI report that is marked as hidden, things like report page tooltips and so on, they will not be included in your Power BI document. So let's hit export. Again, this action might take a minute or even more. Power BI needs some time to actually produce, you know, the PowerPoint report in the Power BI service. So it takes a little patience. Let's wait a minute. And it's done. Power BI has created a PowerPoint file. Let's open it. In my PowerPoint application, hit F5, and this is my report. It looks really nice. So the exports are actually fixed static pictures, and as you can see, the pages that were hidden in my original Power BI report are not included in these PowerPoint presentations, whereas all the other tabs are actually included in my PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you visit the Zebra BI knowledge base for Power BI and take a look at other tips and tricks that we have prepared for you.